day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 future chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, then please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's start here with the Nasdaq100, the first trading session of the week, and we are down rather heavily today, down around 2.19%, and this is the movement I've been looking for. I think it was last week, I was calling for a nice, decent pullback towards the downside due to the fact the RSI was considered to be overbought. We did hit that 70 mark, and I was looking for the RSI to pull back to at least 60, hopefully down towards 50, and we are just right now on the RSI down at 49.50. So this to me is now time to buy the Nasdaq100. I've been dollar cost averaging in since we've broken below that 0.38 fib area, and I think that we could potentially go as low as the 50-day EMA, which is down at 12,750. So we could still inch a little bit lower towards the downside. I think it's very important to understand that this week we have Jackson Hole, which is a conference between the banks, and traditionally the Fed chairman has always spoken and answered questions from the bank, so that could cause some volatility, but also it could help with some uncertainty in the market. So I think many investors will be looking towards Jackson Hole later on this week for some guidance in the market. And also, guys, I found a stat, so just before I close and finish this video, I want everyone to know this stat because it is very, very important going forward. This year it is a midterm election year, and I pulled up a stat the other day that dating back to 1939, so the start of World War II, we have had a total of 20 midterm election years. Okay, and 100% of the time from October 1st, okay, going through all the way to June, the markets have always ended in positive territory. That's 20 years, 100% positive rate. So that is very important to understand. And 6 of those 20 times, so 6 of those 20 years, the markets have rallied more than 20%. So that's from the 1st of October all the way through to June 1st as well, because obviously I'm going off the quarters. So, yes, there could be some volatility going into September, but ultimately, 1st of October, you really do want to be invested in the markets dating all the way through to June the 1st, because statistically the market has always ended higher. So some very interesting facts here, but yes, I was fully anticipating to see some negative noise here as we kick off the start of this week. I think we could still go a little bit lower, but I think at that 50-day EMA 12,700, it's going to offer a fantastic buying opportunity, and we could even bounce from where we are right now. So very positive here for the Nasdaq100, just giving back some some area just so that we can correct ourselves on this RSI.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.